Hi, Rep VanScoter here, owner of VanScoter Insurance Agency. Thank you for checking out our YouTube video here. This is something that I've done YouTube videos in the past, for various things. You've seen testimonials, and I've done some ads using my YouTube videos that I post on websites. I kind of got in the habit of doing them just because it was kind of difficult for me to get my camera set up. I just have a little flip video camera, and with just doing this by myself, I just have this tiny little tripod, and so I always set it up on kind of the corner of my desk, and I had to stack up books to get on the right angle and push things out. So it took me a lot of time to get everything set up so I could basically get my head in the shot and not have half my head cut off, or it just took a lot of my time to do that, even though it wasn't a ton of time, but it was just more tedious getting back up and down. But I recently invested in an actual full-size tripod, so it's a lot easier for me to kind of set up. I'm basically just going to have it set up in my office all the time. Not that I'm shooting video all the time, but it's going to be easy just to grab it from the corner, stick it in front of my desk. It's going to be all set up. I can pretty much push the button and go. So now when I ever have an insurance question I think the rest of you will be interested in, or a fun fact, it's easy for me to kind of shoot a quick video on it and disseminate it to you. So I'm kind of excited about that. I'm kind of a tech geek, so little things like this excite me. So I spent kind of the weekend getting it set up and figuring out where I wanted everything, and then I wanted to make my videos a little bit better. So I spent a lot of time on Microsoft Movie Maker, going through and learning more about that, since previously I just basically used the flip video software that came with it. But so you'll see in this video I'm adding some more things, some banners and pop-outs, and maybe some scrolling text along the bottom. So hopefully going to make my videos look a little bit more professional, even though I'm kind of doing most of them just off the cuff. So plus, the big thing for me is I'm a small agency. I have a smaller marketing budget, than some of the large players out there online, and so I'm just trying to get more of a presence online, because I was reading this article in the Agents and Brokers magazine that I get every month. And this is pretty much what I do in my spare time when I go home at night, on the weekends. Basically, I'm thinking of my clients. I'm going through reading here. They have a lot of good case studies in here. They talk about coverages, issues that people are having. They go into some policy details. So I find it super helpful. For myself, so when I'm sitting down with a client, I can do a full review, and I know that I have a fair amount of background knowledge just from doing a lot of reading from industry publications. And this isn't the only one I get. This just happened to be the one that I was reading today. But this kind of pointed out the importance of being online for an agency. So basically, they have Google Adwords that you can purchase that are pay per click. You pay $1 every time someone clicks on your link or something like that, and you buy a certain AdWord. What I thought was pretty interesting is that insurance-related AdWords are the highest ranking revenue for any AdWords used. So any insurance-related AdWords account for 24% of Google's AdWords revenue. So that just shows how important it is to be on the web, because you guys are out there searching on Google for your insurance, or at least to find out some preliminary information about it. So I thought it's important to kind of help get myself to as much as I can to the front page, to get in your search, get in front of you in your searches. So I'm hoping that these videos will help me. So what I can't believe is the highest cost per click generated is $54.91. I tell you what, I'm not paying for that AdWord that costs $54 every time someone pushes it. So I don't know who is. Maybe some of the larger online ones are, that's the only way that they're getting business. But the majority of my business comes through referrals of clients, existing clients like yourself, or friends or family, people in my social network. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And then actually the insurance-related AdWords are pretty much double the next one in line. The next one are next cost per click AdWords that are come in are loans and mortgage, and loans come in at 12.8% of Google's AdWord revenue, and mortgage attributes to 9% of Google AdWords revenue. So those are the three main things that we're searching for out there in Google is insurance related stuff, loans, and mortgage. So obviously we need some money out there. So I want to help give you some money. It's not going to be a loan. This is basically a gift from me to you for watching this video, for being the first one. So what I'm going to do is the first person who goes to my website, I'm going to put in a nice little banner here, which you should see, and fills out my contact form, I'm going to send you a $25 gift card. Now, I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. Most likely it'll be a Visa gift card. I find those are the easiest to use because people can use them anywhere. Usually I like to buy gift cards to something in the local community. I know this is going out to a much broader audience, so I hate to buy a gift card to a local restaurant for someone who lives 100 miles away. So I want everyone to be able to participate in this. So what I want you to do is go to my website on the contact page. The first person who fills it out with their address, just put your address under the comments section of the box. I'm going to mail you out a $25 gift card. So it's free. That's all you have to do. And it's basically our thank you for watching this video. And so our tagline is, remember, VanScoter Insurance Agency, don't be fooled by the name. We insure more than vans and scooters. Thank you for your time.